So we've reached the Florida sand part of the trail that I hate so much. But right next to it, we have a little bush trail going. So, do you want to come with?
Yeah.
We're going? All right, let's go. I could not find the the route to get into the clearing that I found. It's probably grown over by now. So we're gonna try and find it on our way back. But this might lead us either to that same clearing or somewhere nearby or something similar. Because this is pretty dope. Yeah, this is kind of like what it looked like. Only instead of that brown, you had lots of green ferns standing between you and the Sanctum, I think is what I called it.
I was wondering if I stayed back there and then you found it. Then not that.
Oh dang!
Where are we doing?
If I didn't know any better, this is it.
It could be.
This is the path. But I don't remember being this far along. If this is the path, then I went left. I remember that much, I think. Huh?
I said okay.
Because the path that I'm talking about did have a fork in it. If this leads me to it, I'm gonna be so happy because I love this spot. Once you see it, you'll understand. Oh dang, this might be it.
Yeah, is it one of like the cool trees?
Yes. Holy crap! Hold on. Did I find it? Or did we find it? I guess. Are you okay? Don't trip. I think this is it. Yeah. Oh, dude, I found it. Yes. This is what I was talking about, man. I told you this is the raddest thing ever. This is what I call the Sanctum. Just a real nice, big, clear space you can sit and do stuff. RJ and I had some sword fights here. It was pretty dope. Ah, that's cool. Yes. We'll have a snack or something. It's leaking. Leaking what? Water? Ah, crap. Alright, cool, cut. So we found the culprit to the leaky backpack.
How does that even happen?
I don't know, there's nothing sharp in there, is there?
No.
Or any of the side pockets? The only sharp thing I think we have is my multi-tool, and it's on my belt.
Yeah, I don't know.
So it's just
Pressure?
straight up, well not even, just must be like a defect. Well, I'm gonna drink this real quick. Okay, yeah, so I was looking around and I was trying to find this spot right here, and specifically this little fallen over tree, because I sat on this tree and had my buddy RJ sketch a drawing of me. Here, let me see if I can recreate that. You're sitting over here, I think.
Okay.
So stand right here. And I was like this. On here. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
So there it is. I'll try and I'll find the picture and I'll see if I can like do a little side by side compare. I might have been with this leg, but maybe it wasn't either. Maybe it was like that. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I can't remember.
But yeah.
But yeah, it was cool.
This is where we fought and stuff. We had our foam swords with us.
The tree is really pretty. I like it. It's cool.
Yeah, man, I told you this spot's like legit, my dude.
Mm-hmm. I liked all these kind of cool falling over trees and stuff.
Yeah, lots of fallen over trees, lots of just places to kind of sit and chill.
Mm-hmm.
This, if fires were allowed in this reserve, this is where I would say we need to stop and cook some food.
Mm-hmm.
Fortunately, fires are not allowed here. I'm really upset, but I'd love to create a little campfire here.
Yeah,
This is where I would camp, like.
there are a lot of leaves.
Well, yeah, but you can clear. You know,
Mm-hmm.
if you're, I mean, for a fire pit, you'd find a spot that doesn't have any leaves, which there are leaves almost everywhere here. But I mean, you can find a spot. I don't know where. You find one. Or just a spare spot, like I said.
I wish I knew where their like designated camping area was.
It's probably over on the other side by the hill, like I said, because there's a pavilion there. There's grills. There's a fence. That's probably it.
Oh yeah,
we can check when we get there.
Okay. Yeah, we should go camp there sometime.
Yeah, sometime we will. Remember this spot, RJ? If you're watching, this spot was great. And Nick, I'm sorry we couldn't find it when I was hiking with you, but next time you come here, I'll bring you to this spot, and you can experience the magic. All right, I'm gonna climb up this fallen over tree here. So I'm gonna have Kirsten record my untimely demise. Make sure if I fall and hurt myself really bad, there's one mistake a lot of people make when they record like fail videos, is they like freak out and the camera goes, watch me fall. Watch me hit the ground, pause for a second, and then go, oh, are you okay? And run up to me, okay?
Okay, got it.
Because if there's one thing I hate in fail videos, it's as soon as someone fails, immediately the camera person freaks out, and we don't get to see the person hit the ground.
So you would rather die, that's what you're trying to say.
Well, I mean, what are you gonna do? Catch me?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You can't do that.
How do you know?
Because. Alright, I'm gonna take my rings off too.
Do you want me to hold him?
Yes, please. I should have taken them off. I didn't want to wear them because I don't like. I love you, Kirsten, but I don't like wearing our wedding rings when we're outdoors. Mine are bigger than yours.
But they show you're tough.
Yeah, I guess. All right.
See, they're strongman rings right there.
Not so sure about this now that I look at it.
It looks like an unsteady tree, to be honest.
What?
It looks like an unsteady tree, to be honest.
It's I don't look all right. Oh, it feels good.
You think you can handle it?
I think so, yeah. Ooh, not that though.
Yeah, don't trust that.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, you see that?
Eh,
See that wobble?
don't die, okay?
Try. These boots will help me out.
Yeah, they're good boots. Dude, I'm not sure if it's strong enough.
No, I'm gonna hop down.
Darn.
Plus, this is about as high as I can. It's not. There's not a lot of handholds up here, you know. So.
You kind of just have to wiggle.
What?
You would kind of
Yeah,
just.
I have to wiggle like an inchworm. I'm gonna go ahead and not.
Maybe, are you okay?
Yeah.
Do you want?
It's just kind of. There's leaves, so it's not easy to stick climbing.
I see a different tree you can use over there. You should try that tree.
That one?
Yeah, the curved tree.
Yeah, I'll try. It looks alive, at the very least.
Yeah,
Where do I put my water though?
it's right there.
Oh. Ooh.
Is there an animal living in there?
There's a spider.
Uh-oh.
I don't see the spider, but I see its web.
Yeah.
It's one of those like really see-through.
Yeah, I
I don't
can't
know what kind of spider made it. I'm not
really see it.
so good with aminals.
And the minimals.
I'm not so sure about this tree either because it looks like a spiky pitfall if I if I fall down.
It'll just cushion your fall.
Yeah, cushion my fall with spiky death.
It is a cool tree. I like the moss.
not great at tree climbing, but I like it anyway. Even if I'm not very good at it.
As long as you don't die.
It's kind of the one rule about anything. Just enjoy it as long as you don't die. Unless you're like a stuntman, then it's pretty exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd love to climb out on that, but
What about like this one?
I think it's too steep for me.
Cause if you can get to like the little nook right there. Oh, is there spiders? If you can get to the little nook,
True.
then you can probably sit.
I don't think I can though. This is too unless I do like the inchworm method again.
Yeah, that might be the way to go.
I don't think I can do that either. If I like jump and hug, I can make it. If I really just lurch upward. But I might get a face full of tree if I do that, so.
Use your rock climbing skills.
I can't. There's no holds. We need to bring rock climbing, like, stones and just drill them in. Yeah, I'll pass.
The people here probably wouldn't appreciate that either.
I don't think so, no. There was a sign at the entrance that said no destruction of nature or whatever.
You might get the Lorax coming after you.
The Lorax, is that what you said?
Yeah.
There's a can over there, that's what I was pointing at.
Oh.
It's Sprite.
Oh yeah, a very faded Sprite tan.
Alright, let's keep looking around. I'm done with these trees. Yeah,
You don't speak for the trees?
what is that?
You don't speak for the
I do not
trees?
speak for the trees, no. I'll take that.